Okay then, we're at update number 2. Progress report. Now I've attached the back end now. This is all on. Chimney breast is sorted. Everything's done in this side. Windows are in, and you can see there's some blinds behind the windows. The window sills we had to put on, and the window headers we've had to put on. The signboard, and we'll just turn it round. We had to put the shop fronts in here, the door there, around the back. Got more windows, back door, and electrical box. These are all separate items, had to be put on, so it's a bit fiddly getting them right. Extra pavement down there. We just spin around slowly. Here we go, and if I'm going to tilt it up a little bit, it's glued to the bottom, so it should be okay. And then you'll see this shop front is set back a little bit, so it looks like there's a bit of distance in there. And there's a vending machine there. So yeah, we're all good to go. Now if you see this, see the way it pops. This is not very good. I'm going to have to work on this, because if you look on the actual drawing, the plan itself, you'll see the same thing. It's buckling and bowing there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it probably there, and I will put supports in there and there, like straws or something. Now, don't worry too much about that. Been working on the petrol pumps. These are the petrol pumps there. And of course they go in there, get the right way up. They're not finished, like I say, they're not finished, so don't panic. And there's this post that goes in the middle, which this attaches to, something like that. Yeah, that's why we need to do something here. It's alright, it's not glued, so ignore that. And I'm looking for the camera doing this, that's why I'm not very accurate. And you'll push that down like that. Get me finger on it, looking for the camera. Yeah, like that. Okay, so what we're going to do is going to cut here and stop that from bowing there. Right, so these will go in place. So the other ones, I'm putting the things on here. The hoses. They're a bit long, so I've cut them shorter, and they'll go in. There's the holes either side. They go in there, so they'll sit on something like that. Yeah. Okay. And this is where the chimney pots will go. Now what I've done here, this is the roof for this piece, which goes on in here. I'll just slide it in there if I can, just for now, just got to basically mock it up, because I'm not going to go. I should have standing up and sitting down like a lazy git. I should stand up to do this really. I'll get it right in a second, hold on. There you go. That goes like this, and then the other half of the roof slides up underneath here. Okay. In that sort of fashion. And hooks underneath there like so. Alright. And then the chimney pot goes on the top with the chimney pots on it. So this is where we're going in a minute, and I've got ridge tiles. These are ridge tiles, go along the top there, and they go along the top of there. So we're looking somewhere like this, and I'll just put that in there just to show you, and that will go in there like so. So we move it back a little bit, and the reason it's alright, this is not it's not, as you can see, it's not secured down properly. I've just done that, and the reason I'm not putting the roof on yet is because I need to get access to put lights in and stuff like this. So what I'll probably do is get a light in. I can't really leave this roof off, so I'll probably glue this one down and have this one so I can remove it, so I can do the light work, poke a light through there, because that one wants a dull light in it, and I'll put some lighting in here. So that's why the roof is not secured on at the moment. But the next job will be putting the hoses on the rest of these pumps. I've got a signboard here which goes there. Okay, I think that's about it for the. I've got chimney pots to put on the top. We've got to roll them around. So it'll be finishing off these pumps, putting the signboard on there, working out some lighting, and sorting this out here. And I think I'll come to the conclusion I'm going to cut it along this line here, and I'm going to get some same size straws to support it, because see that it's not right. This will go underneath there like it's supposed to. That's supposed to attach to that. So with that attached to that, you've got this curve here. So I will definitely cut it down there, trim it, and put 2 posts there to finish that off. So that's where we are. That's what we're doing. So it's coming on. It's coming on. So the next time we'll see this, it'll be done. Hopefully, it won't be next week. It'll be in a couple of weeks, because I've got a few other things I've got to do first before I carry on with this. Alrighty. Well, I hope you're enjoying this build. It's a good build. It's a good build, and looks really, really nice. It looked even better when I trimmed it up, and I'm gone around all the edges with a crayon, because you go around the edges with a felt pen or a crayon where the bare cardboard is, and you can colour that in. It's not a problem. It looks nice then. And then when I've finished it, I'll get a few figures and a couple of vehicles and what have you, and I'll give you a rough idea now. What's going to happen with what's the plan is this will sit like it is here, and there'll be a road going down here, okay, and then across the back there, at the back of here, there's going to be a yard. So you imagine it's sitting like, if it's sitting like this, yeah, I'm going to draw a plan. I'll show you. There'll be a yard at the back here, stretching back here on the board, and it'll be a yard. It'll have a couple of cars in it, a breakdown truck, and usual stuff in a yard. Okay, so that'll be poking out the back. Then the road will come down here, and at the end of the yard, it'll go at right angles that way. And I've got some terrace houses, as you've seen before in a previous video. I bought a row of terrace houses, but the terrace houses, they're only low relief, so there's only half a house, so they have to go against the back. So that's what that'll do. Okay, and then this road will be extended out here to make a full road. So you basically go down there, around there, full road right across the front, and in the middle here will be a small park. Okay, and there'll be a bus stop, telephone box, you know, that sort of business. And you know, I'm going to bling it up a little, make it look nice, and hopefully it will extend and extend and extend as I get more buildings, you know. So there you go. That's it. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying this build. It's a bit of a mishmash at the minute because I'm in the dining room, and it's nearly bedtime. So I'll see you later. Bye for now.